Hey everyone, this is Cullah Hale from Destination Thrills, and today we are back with another coaster tournament. This time it will be the best coasters of Missouri. I've been very excited to do this tournament because it is in my home state, and I've had the chance to ride all of these wonderful coasters, and I'm always interested to see in what the coaster community thinks or their opinions on certain coasters. It always intrigues me, and it's just so much fun to put them in a tournament, and this would be the time where we'd be participating in March Madness, and since all of that has been canceled due to the virus, I figured this would be a great time to bring back tournaments. Let's kick it off with the Missouri Coaster Tournament. You guys have been voting all week on these matchups. There were some really close battles. Now, if you've been following along on our Instagram page, you probably already know who are in the finals at this point, but we will go through each and every one of them just to walk people through the tournament. Now, if you're not so familiar with the state of Missouri, the state has three major theme parks: Six Flags St. Louis, Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, and Silver Dollar City in Branson. Now, Missouri has a fantastic collection of coasters, and we are going to be choosing the 12 best out of the three parks. Now, I've actually provided my personal top 10 coasters in Missouri in a video earlier, and I'll link that video in the card above. I give you my personal top 10 favorite rides in the state. So again, if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. Now, before we jump into the bracket, let's get into how this works. I posted on our Instagram story head-to-head coaster battles that went through a bracket. This was a 12 coaster bracket, which we'll get into in just a moment. But we did head-to-head battles, and the coaster with the most votes would move on. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and if you have an Instagram page, I would recommend following us because that is where we post all of our battles. And again, a quick shout out to everyone who voted. We had at one point, I believe in the first round, we had over 200 voters. So that was exciting to see. I know when we first started doing these battles and tournaments, we had just around 100, but now we have grown to 200 participants. So I am very excited about that. And I hope to continue to grow this in the future. So like I said, check out our Instagram page if you're interested in voting. All right, so let's hop into our bracket. On the top left portion, we had Screamin' Eagle from Six Flags St. Louis taking on Patriot at Worlds of Fun, the B&M invert here, versus the classic Woody. Winner of this round would face Outlaw Run, the favorite and the #1 seed in this tournament. Then we had on the bottom left, American Thunder, the GCI wooden coaster from Six Flags St. Louis, taking on the B&M Twister Coaster Wildfire at Silver Dollar City. Winner of this match would face off against Prowler at Worlds of Fun, another GCI wooden coaster. This will be an interesting matchup if American Thunder moves on, and then we have a GCI versus GCI battle. I'm very intrigued to see if that happens. Now let's move over to the right side of the bracket. We have Powder Keg, the launch coaster from SNS, at Silver Dollar City, and then Batman the Ride, the clone invert that you find at most Six Flags parks. Winner of this match would take on Mr. Freeze from Six Flags St. Louis. Mr. Freeze is our third seed in this tournament. Then in the bottom right, we have The Boss at Six Flags St. Louis, taking on the lone full circuit hypercoaster in the state, Mamba at Worlds of Fun. Winner of this will take on our second seed, which is Time Traveler at Silver Dollar City, the newest coaster in the state, and it's going to be interesting to see how far Time Traveler will move on in this tournament. I also had those on Instagram fill out a bracket as well, and we actually had quite a few people that put in brackets, so at the end of this video, I will give a special shout out to the winners of that bracket challenge. Let's get to our results here. Pulling them up on my phone. All right, our first matchup was Screamin' Eagle versus Patriot. And Patriot, to me, this was a surprise, won by 62% of the vote. So more people preferred Patriot than to Screamin' Eagle. Patriot moves on to square off against Outlaw Run. All right, moving on to our next battle, American Thunder versus Wildfire here. And this one was super close. American Thunder just barely winning with 51% of the vote, and moves on to take on Prowler for that GCI rematch. This was such a close battle, and I remember as I was watching the votes come in, it was swaying back and forth. At one point, Wildfire had jumped out to a 5% lead, and then American Thunder jumped out to like a 3% lead. It was back and forth, but in the end, American Thunder pulled it off, and in one of the most exciting battles we've had here on this channel. All right, moving up to the top right, not as close, but still a pretty tight battle. It was Powder Keg versus Batman the Ride, and Powder Keg won with 58% of the vote. And Powder Keg will move on to verse Mr. Freeze. our final first round matchup was Boss versus Mamba, and this one was another tight race. Mamba just beating the Boss with 52% of the vote, just 52%. At one point, Boss did have a lead, but Mamba actually held a lead for most of the voting round. I think at one point Mamba was up to like a 10% lead. But in the end, it narrowed down, and Mamba held on to take the win. Mamba will face Time Traveler in the quarterfinal round. Okay, so let's get to our quarterfinal matchups. Our first one, Patriot versus Outlaw Run. This is a no surprise here. Outlaw Run won with 92% of the vote in a blowout victory to move on to the semifinals. Then we had Prowler versus American Thunder, probably the highlight matchup in the quarterfinals, the GCI duel here, and Prowler just beating out American Thunder with 57% of the vote. Prowler will move on to the semifinals to take on Outlaw Run. Then we had Mr. Freeze versus Powder Keg, and Mr. Freeze won convincingly, 67% of the vote to 33. I actually thought this might be a closer matchup because Powder Keg is a solid ride, but I do think Mr. Freeze has it beat out on intensity, and I think a lot of our voters felt that way as well, which is why it won with 67% of the vote. Our final quarterfinal matchup was Time Traveler versus Mamba. I didn't expect this one to be close, and it wasn't. 81% of the vote going to Time Traveler, and Time Traveler moves on to the semifinal matchup to take on Mr. Freeze. So, as we like to do in these battles, the losers of the quarterfinal matchups will all be placed in a consolation bracket, which you see here, and the winners of this first round consolation bracket will move on to the 5th place matchup, and the losers will be squared off in a 7th place battle. Then we have our semifinals here with Outlaw Run versus Prowler, Mr. Freeze versus Time Traveler. The losers of the semifinal match will face off in a 3rd place match, and obviously our winners will be in the championship. So let's go ahead and start with the consolation bracket here, and our first round matchup was Patriot versus American Thunder. Which American themed coaster will win? Well, American Thunder takes it here with 55% of the vote. Another tight battle. It seems like a lot of these coasters in the middle of the pack are very tight between which ones people prefer, and I think honestly it's split down the middle for a lot of these, which is really interesting to see. But American Thunder will be moving on to the 5th place matchup. Who will take on American Thunder? Well, we have Powder Keg versus Mamba, and Powder Keg won with 63% of the vote, and Powder Keg will move on to face American Thunder for 5th place, and Mamba will take on Patriot in a Worlds of Fun duel for 7th place. Alright, here it is for the semifinals. We had Outlaw Run versus Prowler, and again, I didn't expect this to be close, but man, this was a wipeout. Outlaw Run wins with 92% of the vote against Prowler. Prowler only picking up 8%, and like I said, for me it is pretty easy to distinguish Outlaw Run as a superior coaster, but I thought maybe there would be some Worlds of Fun fans out there that might have edged Prowler out over Outlaw Run, but that did not seem to be the case here. Outlaw Run with the convincing win and will book its ticket to the championship. Our other semifinal match, which I expect to be a little bit closer, we have Time Traveler versus Mr. Freeze, and Time Traveler with a big win here, 70% of the vote, and Time Traveler will move on to the championship, a rematch of an earlier coaster duel that we did. I'll actually link that video above, Time Traveler versus Outlaw Run. I recommend after this video you check it out because that was a close battle as well, and I expect our championship to be just as close. Alright, so now we have our battle for 7th, 5th, 3rd, and 1st place all set. So let's get into the final results. And for 7th place, we had Patriot versus Mamba. And I kind of want to give Mamba the edge here just because it is the taller, more airtime filled coaster, but Patriot has a unique layout. I'm interested to see who will win. And Mamba wins with 52% of the vote, just barely beating out Patriot and taking 7th place in our Missouri Coaster Tournament. Moving on to 5th place, we have American Thunder versus Powder Keg. These two coasters are very different from one another, so it's kind of hard to distinguish them both. I personally prefer, it's tough for me, but I personally prefer American Thunder to Powder Keg just barely, and I think our voters are going to prefer American Thunder as well. So our winner of 5th place is American Thunder with 56% of the vote, Powder Keg with 44%. All right, moving on to 3rd place, we have the Wooden Coaster Prowler versus Mr. Freeze, the launch coaster. Another matchup where I think the coasters are very different from one another. They don't really have the same experience at all. You have that backwards launch from Mr. Freeze, and then you have Prowler, which is a rougher wooden coaster, but is amazing at night. I want to give the edge to Prowler, but lately I've been hearing a lot of Mr. Freeze fans, so it could be close either way. All right, our winner of third place is Mr. Freeze with 64% of the vote. I expected this one to be a little bit closer, but Mr. Freeze secures the most votes and takes third place. All right, it is time for our championship match, and I am not surprised that these two ended up in the finals. I think it is pretty clear what the top two coasters are in Missouri, Time Traveler and Outlaw Run. Silver Dollar City fans, you are blessed to have the two best coasters in the state, and these two are just the most insane coasters. You have Time Traveler, which has the spin factor. That first drop out of the station, especially in the backseat, is absolutely wild. It's one of my favorite first drops. And then you have the unique inversions and even some good airtime. It's just a good mix of everything I love in a coaster is all put into Time Traveler. Then you have the most intense coaster in Missouri, the wildest, most outrageously crazy coaster, Outlaw Run. It has the most wicked pacing. It has the best night ride in the state, period. And it just has such good airtime. The ejector airtime on Outlaw Run is world class, and it has the best ejector airtime of any coaster in the state, which is why it has been winning all the way up into this point. So it's just going to depend on what you like. If you like the variety and the spin and the change of experience of Time Traveler, you're going to be a Time Traveler fan. But if you like wild, crazy, hold on to your seat, holy cow coasters, then Outlaw Run is going to be your favorite. So let's see who our winner is. You guys voted, and the winner of the Missouri Coaster Tournament is Outlaw Run with 57% of the vote to Time Traveler's 43%. So congratulations to Outlaw Run and Silver Dollar City for winning the Missouri Coaster Tournament. And it was a fantastic tournament. I really enjoyed all of these matchups and how close a lot of them were. Like even the finals, 57% to 43% is not a landslide victory at all. So I'm pretty proud of how Time Traveler performed in this tournament. And again, I'm just really thankful for all of our voters out there. You guys make these tournaments happen. You guys make it fun. And so again, I hope we can build these tournaments up in the future and have even more participants. And now that we have nothing better to do because we're all stuck inside, let's have more of these. So in fact, our next tournament is going to be the European Coaster Tournament. I'm testing out something here. I'm going to be doing a European bucket list coaster video as well. And so I figure on top of that, let's try to put a bunch of European coasters together in a 16 coaster tournament. I'm going to put this together. I'll have a bracket released soon. If you do not already, follow us on Instagram. I will be releasing the bracket there the moment I put it together. And those battles should be happening toward the end of next week. So be on the lookout for that. And if you really enjoy these tournaments and coaster duels, then I have plenty more videos for you that I already have on the channel. I will link the playlist in the description below for you to check out. Okay, like I said, I was going to also reveal the winner of our bracket challenge. And like I said, we had quite a few people participate. I hope to do this more for future tournaments. And our winners are, we have two of them. We have Park Pros and Thorup Coaster Photos. Both of these Instagram accounts guessed 10 of the 11 matchups correctly. So congratulations to you two for winning our coaster challenge. And again, I hope to include this in the upcoming tournaments. So thank you for watching this video. Again, congratulations to Outlaw Run for winning the Missouri Coaster Tournament. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Destination Thrills, the destination for all the latest coaster news, battles, and content. I'm Cullah Hale. Stay safe out there and have a good one.